Hello and welcome to another episode of Spare Time Gardening with me, Simon, and I'm down in our Hampshire garden. And this is episode 2 of our Back to Basics series. So why do seeds refuse to sprout in April and bolt by July? Now the answer lies in temperature. Now temperature acts like a signal. It tells seeds when it's time to germinate, roots when to push deeper, and leaves when to reach higher. Each plant has a preferred temperature range, and germination is especially sensitive. Now cool season crops like peas, lettuce and cabbage sprout in soil as cool as between 7 and 10 degrees Celsius, whereas warmer season crops like your tomatoes, peppers and cucumbers need at least 16 to 21 degrees Celsius to get going. That's why you might sow your tomato seeds indoors in February or March with heat maps or even a propagator. That just gives them that head start. Now above ground, air temperature matters too. Growth tends to slow when it's too cold or too hot. And when days get excessively hot, so say above 30 degrees Celsius, some plants go into survival mode. Now let's talk about frost. Now frost can be a killer. Even in late April or early May in the UK, a rogue frost can flatten your tender plants. So know your area's average last frost date and use fleece, cloches or cold frames to protect those vulnerable young plants. Equally, don't forget about nighttime temperatures. A day might feel warm, but if it dips below 5 degrees Celsius at night, seedlings and young plants can still suffer. Now the opposite of that is too much heat. Now too much heat brings its own issues. For example, lettuce, coriander and spinach, they'll bolt, meaning they go to flower and seed too early. So use shade clothes or plant taller crops nearby to cast some cooling shadows. And in the next episode, we'll be tackling a silent force in your garden, otherwise known as wind. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button. And please feel free to leave your comments and feedback below. I'd love to hear from you. So don't be shy, and of course I'll reply. See you soon.